My name is Nerea Okech. I'm an honorable member of County Assembly of Homa Bay, but also the symbol of the growing and intense capacity and talent of women leaders. And because the late Dr. Joyce Laboso was a symbol of how women leaders ought to act, I appreciate this opportunity by the family to work together. And so it is my pleasure this afternoon to announce the launch of the Dr. Joyce Laboso Global Cancer Education Fund. And the family of the late governor, in collaboration with Ethics and Integrity Institute, has launched a Global Cancer Education Fund in her commemoration to mark the first anniversary since she died of cancer, and that was on the 29th of July 2019. So the Dr. Joyce Laboso Global Cancer Education Fund, the mission is to solidify Kenyans' capacity on cancer treatment and management by sponsoring medical professionals who wish to specialize in oncology or cancer-related areas to medical schools around the globe. We aim to increase the number of oncologists from the current 35 to 1,000 by supporting 47 professionals from each of the 47 counties in Kenya on an annual basis. So the late Dr. Laboso, who was the governor, was a remarkable teacher, lecturer, and politician. And a lady called Grace was a student of Dr. Laboso. Grace, she's also laboring with us in this journey. She was the first female member of parliament to be elected deputy speaker in the National Assembly. And in 2017, she was one of the only 3 elected female governors. And this was an admired role for many outside of Bomet County. So as we commemorate her first anniversary, we launched this fund to honor her immense contribution as a servant leader. Jackie Nyandeje has articulated this quite well. And Jackie is from the Ethics and Integrity Institute that's steering this process. And just to note that cancer is, of course, the 3rd, cause of death globally. And we do realize that in Kenya, we only have 35 oncologists, and each oncologist has to handle up to 4,000 patients. And so it is because of this that we feel that expanding the scope of the oncologists by increasing the numbers will get Kenya towards the path for increasing access to cancer treatment by making it part of primary health care. And so many cancer survivors, and sadly Dr. Joyce Laboso fought that battle but lost it after about 20 years, they consider this a global disaster. And so considering that Kenya's Big 4 agenda has it that every Kenyan has a right to good health, we feel that this initiative will be one of the very, very best in terms of increasing our capacity as Kenya. And so, as we launch this fund, we want to ask for closer cooperation. We thank Bomet County for being on board and also for ensuring that we will have the support that is necessary. So as we reach out to every institution, as we reach out to every county government, we request that you cooperate so that we hold the memory of Dr. Joyce Laboso in the highest esteem. Thank you very much. It is my honor to serve as the patron.